Morning. Testing. Okay, good to go. Ooh. Gold. Being a little bit rude here. Having this move up before our session even starts. So, same analysis as yesterday. We are bullish here on gold. Alright, your daily candle. Sorry, I'm getting a call. Alright, so your daily candle has closed above this previous resistance area. I've got a daily resistance here, which you might want to take note of. 4 hour now has closed bullish above the range here, hourly above the range. We had that 30-minute candle closure above 1879 as broken down yesterday, and we had a nice move up here on the previous 30-minute for about 50 pips. Obviously no trades were taken, so now what would be ideal is to see the 4 hour actually pulling back and retesting these previous highs, retesting this previous range right here. So if we could get a bottom wick on the current 4 hour candle, retest this previous area, forming support on the lower time frame, we're gonna have some beautiful buys here this morning. But as price sits, we are in the middle of a range, so there's no way I could possibly execute on this unless you're maybe scaling in here to a smaller time frame, which I don't believe is the best approach here this morning. I want to see a retest of 1880, 1879, forming a nice steep bottom wick on the new 4 hour, grabbing liquidity for us to then take further buys here. Yeah, even if we could get pullbacks into like 1881, yeah, pullbacks into like 1881, so a little bit deeper here, and then maybe like a flip on the, an entry on the flip of this candle as we flip back bullish after creating that bottom wick. As we sit, we do have range to still fill this previous candle wick, but we've got no bottom wick on the current candle, so need to wait here obviously. GJ, also same ideas as yesterday. Since we've just been in a range, nothing has changed since yesterday really. You can see 4 hours still nice and bullish, but we're very choppy in this area. Just got these consecutive bullish candle closures on a 4 hour, but we've not broken above 161. So we need to just be cautious until we do break above there. Broken above previous daily highs. So yesterday we closed a weak bearish candle. We got a bottom wick retesting 160. Looks good to now push up today. News, pretty much nothing this morning. CPI tomorrow, going to be very interesting. They forecasted pretty good numbers here, so they're expecting to see continued improved inflation. think 6.5 is a bit of a stretch. So yeah, like I say, same ideas as yesterday. There's nothing new here. We are in a range. GJ, what we could maybe see is, since we are struggling to break these highs, you know, sometimes when you do have that situation, we could get a deeper liquidity grab before then moving up. So watch out for that retest of 160. If we're not breaking above 161, that is about 100 pip range. Lots of range moving down. But I'm not interested in sells yet at all. I would rather see us pull back all the way down to 160 and then look for buys off of that area. Yeah, I'm sure we all have some excuse for not taking the gold move this morning. Don't worry, bro. You're not the only one who missed it. Price is in the middle of the range. Middle of the range, no trades. No bottom wick. Waiting for a steeper bottom wick on the 4-hour candle. And better buys if we can get a retest of this 1880 area around these previous highs here. Thank you, Act Videos. Morning. Yeah, so Jared, Nico, and I were on a call this morning, and Nico was in the bars, but Jared and I we missed them, and we sat here and we watched price move up, and it was just so clean. But you know, we missed the trade. Absolutely nothing you can do. So you just have to you know, we were talking about this the other day, when you are in a trade and it's a very good trade, or maybe it's a very bad trade, and you feel some type of way afterwards. You need to emotionally neutralize yourself before looking for another opportunity. Now, I suppose if you're not in the trade, you miss the trade, and it plays out so nasty, you're feeling a level of FOMO. So you need to emotionally neutralize yourself and understand it is what it is. There's nothing you can do. The best thing you can do is wait for price to set up again. Wait for a new opportunity. So we missed the move. Yeah, it was a cuck one. But you know, we ended up laughing about it. And now we move on to the next opportunity. There's always going to be another opportunity. As long as price is moving, we're going to have opportunities. True, and that's pretty much the reason I did not even look at taking a position. I quite like to just wait for the 4-hour candle closure. But that's the thing, we've got a nice solid confirmation now for buyers, that 4-hour bullish candle closure. If we can come down, form a support on the lower time frames here, you know, we can look for more opportunities for sure. Could even see closures above 1884 500. Since on this previous 15-minute we formed resistance. Looking to the left, there is a level of resistance here at 1884 500 on the 30-minute hourly. Even on the daily, this is an area of interest. But if we're looking at the 30-minute and hourly to the left, quite far to the left, we do have clean traffic above here, moving to 1888 500. So we've got about a 40 pip range moving up. Closures above here could easily result in us filling the rest of this range. If you missed the opportunity, next one is coming in half an hour. Just calm down. Exactly. Hello, is it a good idea to sell gold till it reaches 1881? Close? No. There's no need to catch every move. Alright. You want to rather focus on the highest probability moves. So we can see your price is setting up for buys. But there is potential to maybe pull back further. Alright. Why would you sell on that further pullback? You don't know how far we're going to pull back. Rather just trade with the trend. Take the higher probability trade and give yourself the best possible opportunity to win. Put yourself in a position to win. Why would you put yourself in a position to lose? As traders, we don't need to trade every day, and we do not need to catch every move. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's hop on Discord here. What's up?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Not much on yourself?
Yes, we were just talking about how bad of a trader you are to miss such obvious buys on gold there.
Yeah, no, I'm terrible.
Just, dude, we don't even know why we're on stream anymore.
Yeah, I didn't even change the analysis. You know, these are the same lines marked up as yesterday, same buys above. We got that closure above. If anyone had their charts marked up from yesterday and was looking at the charts this morning, you know, maybe you would have executed on that. Personally, I was waiting for the 4 hours, so it wasn't really my position. 15-minute looks very clean as well. We had that milli pop setup right there.
Really pop.
Thanks to Wayne.
Wait. Wasn't it the biltong bounce?
No, I don't even know. It's on number 2.
I don't know, Wayne. I think you need to
Wayne,
make
what's
us.
this?
I think we should leave the playbook to Wayne. Naming all the setups.
Dude, we at least need one called the what do you call it? Biltong bounce.
The Boerewors drop and biltong bounce.
Hey, Connor.
Yeah.
Which bank closes at 4?
West Bank closes at 4. Oh no, I can't play today.
Oh,
I've got an appointment at 3. And I got stuff to get done.
I'll see you at 4.
Can't be playing golf every day.
We can if we got. When we're good, we can take days off. Yes. Need practice. But
Practice.
so, what I saw by the driving range, I want to put into play. Alright?
Alright. Yeah, no, I really can't today. I don't even know if I'm gonna get to gym today.
No, it's teasing, dude. I also don't want to go play. My back's too sore to play. I have to wait till like this weekend to play. Till Friday.
Yeah,
play-
actually,
go
now
play
that you say
today,
that, yo,
I'll be
I'm
sore.
sore from golf, dude.
That's why we need to recover before Friday, because fuck, just now pull my back while team off again.
Oh yeah, you must warm up. Get a foam roller or something.
But that was like the fucking first hole, my friend. I was warmed up. Let's see. It's
Yes.
just, yeah, I don't know. It was like 100 balls the day before that we went to go hit.
Yeah, my neck was actually pretty stiff from.
Who did you say is playing, bro? Me, you, Egan, Q,
Oh,
Dad.
yeah, we must still see who all is up for it. But yeah, that's
Okay.
who Kyle said he would like invite.
Okay, cool.
We'll just see who's available.
Yeah, I don't think we can be more than 6, bro. It'll be a fuck ton to tee off.
Yo, it's gonna be hectic. I also don't think so.
So like, I mean, we saw with 4 of us. So, bad. Well, good and bad news for you, sir. We might be playing Sunday again, and my dad said he wants to play with us and he wants to play the back nine in West Bank. So I said, yeah, that's fine. Me and him can go. And he said, no, man. He wants Connor and Dylan to come. I was like, but what if they can't? He's like, no, just tell them they must come. I was like, Dad, me and Connor's playing Friday. He said, Dylan can come. So he said, no, man. Connor must also come. He's part of the four now. I tried to get you out of it, but yeah.
Oh shit.
So you better hope Sunday is evening or something. Else, even me, but I don't want to play Sunday as well. Buso, my friend.
Yeah, look.
My back
But we
feels-
need to get a cart on Friday at least. I'm never
We will.
walking again.
Me and you can split a card so that we
Yeah.
can be in a card, and then the other gents can also do the same thing more or less.
What's up, Chad?
Yeah. Oh wait, yeah, that's Chad at least. So he's also in our way. That's 3, and then Q obviously that's 4 definitely. Is Keegan a definitely or not?
I'm not sure.
That's this, man. I don't want to play Keegan on a course, but not on a proper course. Man.
Dude, trust me, if you X get a cart, everybody that you play on the same ball has to get a cart, or else it's useless.
No, we know, but like we got a cart now the last weekend, but it's because my dad can't walk the 9 holes, dude. He's in Cape Town, Connor, so it's us. Keegan's not coming. That's beautiful.
Shit. What's Keegan
That's
doing in
good
Cape Town?
news. I don't care, but thank you, Chad. I appreciate you telling me that. Now I feel confident. Yo, Dad, you must see Connor's new driver he bought. Oh, that's too sexy. Oh.
Yo, I actually want to go hit some bombs. I bought like a...
Huh?
What?
What did you just say?
I want to go hit some bombs.
Oh, yes.
I bought some of
Bombs?
these like... They're just like little rubber balls. I wanted to get those indoor golf balls. I don't know if you've seen them.
No,
The ones with the holes.
That's sick. So what, can you hit it there like against your wall or something?
Yeah. I don't know if
those
they're
plastic
indoor. Yeah, they're just like for practice.
Okay, well, that's fair. I never knew you get that.
But I found some like small rubber balls, like golf ball size, but they like don't bounce. It's like a soft rubber. So I
Right.
got those, and I was in my backyard yesterday, and I fucking hit this ball straight, and then like there's I don't know how to describe it, but it basically went to where the cars were, and it went like just past my car, and I was like, fuck, okay, never mind, let me put this thing down. Then I just got the
Don't you have
pitching
to-
ridge, and I was practicing pitching.
Don't you want to build a thing in the backyard then? We can build it if you want. Oh, cheap.
It's a bit, my backyard is a bit constricted, like,
That's why I'm asking.
I could do it in the front yard, but the dogs are there and they're
Yeah.
mission.
I feel. I was actually looking in the shop there to see if they have a net thing there, but they don't.
I'm rather gonna wait until I can do my indoor setup.
You're gonna get
One day.
that projector thing
Yeah, the projector,
projector. that shows the distance and everything.
yeah. I think that thing is super cool to have.
Chad, bro, like we all have played cricket probably in school. Like winter sport and summer sport is a thing. So we had rugby throughout the entire year, and then cricket. Like, I don't know about you, Connor, but I played cricket just because we kind of had to. So
Did you have
that
rugby
was-
throughout the year?
Yeah,
Or just
rugby
winter?
the entire year.
Holy
See,
shit.
yeah, but remember, that team that we had was like a good team. So like, yeah.
Because
so
you
they
played
made
the
us
whole
fight.
year.
That's why we were fucking.
Yeah.
That's why we beat Dale and Greens, my friend. So.
I did play cricket, I hated it.
Yeah,
No,
cricket's-
look, I enjoyed playing it for fun. Like we would play at school or at home, like friends. But to play it as a sport for school, I didn't really enjoy it.
I got a young putting green in my backyard.
Oh, that's sick.
I'll take this man on the short game. I'd rather leave him at home.
Reese, send a pic.
What was I gonna say? Oh, they cut the grass here by me.
Mhm.
Yeah, I told the garden service came. They cut the grass. I told them, nah, you see this spot, make it short, very short, and then
Short, like a green.
yeah, bro. Then now I can tee off nicely into that thing I built.
I still reckon you must get a mat.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little I'm gonna put a little, what do you call it? A little piece of like fairway green thing to tee off from. Yeah, like a mat.
Yeah, like the mat they have at the range where we played yesterday. That section.
Yeah, something similar, but just not that type of material. If I can put it.
It's like an AstroTurf almost.
I don't know what that is. I don't know. But
It's nice to hit
you know,
irons off of.
you know what I want to master now is my short game, bro, with the pitching between like 50 to like 70 like
Yeah.
yards, is whatever the fuck. Like that area, I just want to like within 100 meters. I just want to get my game up, bro.
You're from SA. Do you know or heard of Habi, a Nigerian? I don't know any Forex traders from Africa other than Meneer Nico, an FFF trader.
Frederik van Heerden van Voeren. That's the only two.
Those,
And Wayne.
when I'm sending it to you on Insta, you can kind of forward it to me.
Oh, wait. Just go to the agriculture shop and buy thick shade netting. Work a
Saying what I
through.
did, bro.
Oh,
I did that
yeah.
way. That's what I did, and I showed Connor. Yeah.
Hang it between
So
two
it's-
trees. That's a good idea. I could actually do
Yeah.
that.
Wayne, Dylan did that, and then Dylan hit through the fucking net.
Oh shit.
I don't know. He was talking about some joint. I don't know what he was talking about. The joint. But I got the 80.
You have to put 3 nets up back to back. Eh?
Nah, fuck off, never, bro. I got the 86% thick, the 85% thickness. I moored the driver into that thing. That thing didn't even go through. It makes a dent, like you can see where you hit it with the ball, and then as soon as you hit another ball into the net, again that previous like mark is gone. So, and also I put a blanket as well, so I hit into a blanket that hits into the net now. So yeah. Okay, you just need the one flash shave netting. Oh, man's got jokes.
Gold. Gold, if we close above 18, 84, 500, I believe we could push on up to 18, 88, 500. But it's a tricky situation. We've already had quite a strong push. 4 hours, still no real bottom wick here. There's a lot of volume. I believe we could continue to push up. But I'm looking at GJ here. So we've been in this range for a period of time. Now gold, we missed the closure above the range where we got that really nice setup. And something I was actually discussing just yesterday, I think it was, taking trades closer to the key levels. So reason here, I said price currently in the middle of the range. Reason being I would not take trades in the middle of the range is, we could easily come back down, retest this previous key area. So if you are taking trades closer to the key area, you're going to have a better stop loss rather than taking trades in the middle of the range. So that's the idea of taking trades closer to these key levels. Right now gold already has had quite a solid push, so I don't want to force anything here out of FOMO on gold, where on GJ we are only closing above the range now by the looks of things, and this is giving us that opportunity where we're getting that closure just above the key level. We've got a nice safe stop loss here. I think this looks a lot better than trying to force something on gold.
David,
Yeah, bro.
in your top tab, what stands next to live forex trading of Connor? What's your number?
I don't have a number. I don't know what you're talking about.
You have no number.
Yo, dude, I don't have any notifications on YouTube, so I don't know if that's maybe where you're
Yeah.
like 69 or whatever.
No, yeah. But this is what I was gonna say now. You know what I think it is? I think it's the 190th video I'm watching of Connor.
No, but I've watched just as many and I don't have a single number.
Email stream.
Tough situation, GJ. I would say we've closed above resistance here, but barely.
Dude, GJ's a young bit tough for me, eh? To get into a buy right now. It's just to the left, dude. If the next resistance is going to be like, oof, not even 10 pips away. You know what I mean?
We've got this wick fill to the left here for like 15 pips.
Oh, that one at 161.246 is, I don't know, bro. 20 pips on GJ just doesn't tickle my fancy.
161.
You know what I mean?
I don't know, bro. If it does get there and break that, I think it's gonna run. If GJ breaks these levels, it doesn't blow.
The thing is, I could see the trade playing out if we use that as like a vantage point.
Yeah, the thing is, also on the daily and 4 hour, we've got this whole range to fill here. Up to 161.
600.
Yeah, and that's, that's like a solid 50 pips. So there's plenty of range moving up. And then, like I say, this wick to the left here. 15 pips or so to fill. Getting a nice bottom wick now on the 30 minute.
Oh no, I get you. It's just, yes, it is a bit of a tough one. So we're gonna have to use that as a vantage point.
And we can actually have bar stops on the break of these wicks here to the left. So not just previous candle highs. Couple pips up. Break of basically like previous 4 hour highs, I think it'll be.
Okay, so
61.
0.09.
110, let's say.
110.
Yeah, accounting for spread.
I see what
Be
you're
at
talking
110.
about. Cool, I'll put that in the channel, eh?
Shot. 161.
You said 161, 110.
Yeah.
Cool. And then stop loss. What are you thinking?
Just hold on. Stops previous hourly.
Don't maybe think we do stop loss at 160.800.
Yeah, that's exactly where I want it.
Oh, okay, cool. So
Yeah.
I'm just looking at my charts and then not at the stream and then trying to type this on Discord.
Yeah, 160.800.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna put break even at 161.210.
210.
What do you think?
Want to fill this wick here? Yeah. Yeah, we can say 210.
Cool.
You know what? I don't think I'll go break even at 210. I'm gonna put my break even point at 161. 330.
161.330.
Yeah. I'll monitor it though if there's reason to go break even before, like yesterday. We'll obviously do that.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll edit that now. Tell me, can you edit a message on Discord?
Yeah, you can.
Can you?
After you've sent it, there is an option to edit.
Shit. Okay, I've edited it. But I think for future, if we do change it once the signal is sent to us, maybe just resend another message.
Yeah, I agree. I do agree. So it doesn't
You
look like
don't
we've changed
like
something, yeah.
we busy pulling the wool over somebody's eyes there. We editing shit after we sent it. Sure, dude, I'm taking a bulk pretty seriously now.
Is it?
Yeah, since Christmas, bro, I'm like up almost 5 kilos there.
Yes, since Christmas.
Oh, dude, fucking hell.
Turbo bulk.
Yeah, but I wasn't chowing a lot leading into December. So I think that's alright. Chad is asking you to go have a look at the Discord. See charts.
I will now.
Okay.
I think for the stop loss on the signals, Jared, we must maybe always give it like an extra 2, 3, maybe like 3 to 5 pips even. Because
Okay.
everyone's spread is going to be slightly different.
Yeah.
And I don't know how
So
we
you-
can like get that across to everyone, but we need to maybe just say like, or give a slightly bigger stop loss so that everyone is just safe and on the same page.
So do you reckon we just for this example we do a stop loss at like 780?
Yeah.
Okay, I get you. I somehow feel like deleting this signal now and then redoing it because I've edited it already.
Yeah, I
You can
mean, yeah, that maybe is a
Hasn't
good
been
idea.
activated. Hasn't been activated yet.
Community.
Would you wait? Is it marked up? Yeah. Okay, now I got it. Then we agree the stop loss is at 160.780.
Yeah. I see what you're talking about, Chad. I think Reese also mentioned the same thing. So, right now I'm just looking at this most recent price action. We've been struggling to break above 161. 161 also being a psychological level. So we finally closed above 161 for the first time this week. We tapped into this level on Monday, and we've not been able to break above until now. Now also being a time of volume, pre-London. So just like we had with gold here, you know, we've been in this range since Monday as well. And you finally had that break above pre-London, time of volume, anticipating volume to come in here. Daily bullish, 4-hour bullish.
I'm about to get triggered in there.
Yeah, me too.
Somebody says we'll send needle emojis in the chat.
Oh, that's my cousin, Keegan.
Is that what Keegan would?
Behave.
Yes, he's a cunt. Oh,
Hope it's
Yes.
clean gains rate. Oh yeah, that's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
five
think,
5 kgs in 2 weeks is a bit sus, eh?
dude,
Or should I
I
say
can
sussed? And then,
I can confidently say it's naturally, eh?
okay, guys, I've been activated. Yeah, stop loss is at 161,800.
Wait, can't
Yeah,
you just said stop loss is at 161,800? Is it not 160.780?
that's for the signals. Like I say, just to to avoid any confusion, because like I say, guys, spreads will be different. So I don't know. We must talk about it though as well, because entries are also going to be something to think about.
I think we'll speak about it on stream, but unfortunately, if you do if we don't get the signal out in time, then it does fall down to a mistrade, and that's a risk of trading live, that you are going to miss positions. You know what I mean? Feel me, brother?
Feel you. Just this is my keyboard, bro.
Dude, are you still cycling with that keyboard, dude?
I haven't had like a proper charge. So the
Yeah.
lights should be on and the lights are actually off now. So it's clearly up to nonsense.
Dude, yeah, at this point, dude, send me your address, dude. I'm using business funds to buy you another one. Yes, like.
Bro, this keyboard is proper, I'm telling you. It's a gaming keyboard.
I got the Logitech MX keys, and that's the best keyboard I've ever used.
This is a Razer Black Widow something. Let's see.
Corporate keyboards are expensive, eh?
My keyboard's not even showing up here.
I paid, I think, $2.5 for my keyboard. It was ridiculous.
Yo, no.
How much did you pay for yours?
It was like 335.
And you don't even game, eh? Yeah. You bought such an expensive keyboard to write on pretty candles all day.
Yeah, it's a pretty keyboard. Look at the lights.
Shit, I can't see it. Oh,
Wait, just hold on.
yeah.
Let me plug the charger in and you can see the lights.
Oh, yeah.
2 G's for a keyboard. 3 G's this side.
2.5 G's.
So yeah, that's just trader things, you know. Join the Monster Money memberships. You can also buy yourself a $3,000 keyboard. That doesn't fucking
Yes.
work. Piece of shit.
Oh. Oh, no, that's nice. Lights are what does it for me. Oh, you say it can like change different colors.
Yeah, it does like the red,
That's
green, blue.
RGB.
Yeah. LGBTQ.
You're gonna get us in some hot water.
STRVXW.
I heard a story last night. This guy changed his gender from male to female to contest the custody of his son, saying he's the mother. And it's in the courts at the moment.
Yo, no, listen. Fucking society, bro.
Dude, oh, weird. That's funny. Eh?
Fat O.
Honeybag is asking, do you think it's worth 3 G's there?
Not right now. No.
Yeah. So my keyboard has like backlighting as well. You can turn on and off. And then what's flippin' dope is it turns off when you take your hands away, and then when you like cover your hand over it, then the lights come back on.
Oh,
It's
that's
like
cool.
sensitive. Yeah, it's fucking dope. But you can also like connect 3 devices to it. So you could have like your laptop, your PC, and then your phone, for example. And you can just switch between the three when you need to.
What about
Robert,
Nasdaq?
whoa, wait, Robert May. I can guarantee you're probably from somewhere in South Africa. South Africans love Nasdaq, dude.
Yeah, I fell into that category once.
Yeah.
No, but it does move nicely. It just depends when you trade it. Although, you know what, I also traded in... I used to trade NAS in London even. Some days it would move. And then people ask, why are you trading NAS in London?
Saying gold on the 15 minutes is retracing. It's not really retracing, it's just exhausting. So, oh, actually, yeah, that was dumb to say. Joe, I would expect to pull back to that resistance zone support before carrying on moving up. So, I guess it is part of market structure what it's doing right now. But I wouldn't sell it. I wouldn't fight that trend.
Yeah, definitely no sells. 15-minute close, no bottom wick. Could get interesting. How is South Africa for tourists?
Terrible.
Depends where you go. I mean, there are a lot of beautiful sites in South Africa. I wouldn't be able to tell you the best places, but have a look at like Transkei, the Garden Route. Yeah, I'm in this trade.
If you're planning on coming to South Africa, don't just come blind. Get somebody that knows South Africa, because you could take a wrong turn or miss an off ramp, and then it's gonna get scary.
Yeah, quickly.
So, if you're gonna come to South Africa, definitely find somebody that knows the areas, or plan out exactly where you're gonna go before the time. Don't just come and be like, oh, let's just drive and see where we end up. That's not good advice.
Is your trade been activated?
Yeah.
Mine never got activated. 110.
Really? Yeah. I'm in.
Never.
We broke
Mine
those
never.
highs.
No, bro, I promise you, mine at 110 it never triggered me in. I don't know, my spread must have been small.
Maybe the spread was small.
No, spread is like 1.2 pips on 100, remember.
Yeah,
DJ's spread is nice.
we broke that high by like 1 pip. So I'm in.
Oh, bro, I promise you.
It's a blessing you didn't get in right now, eh? You have to sit through drawdown.
I can see the break of the high, but it never. It wasn't enough to trigger me in, but I think I was like 3 ticks away from getting triggered in. Now that I look at it, so it was like right there, but
Yeah, my spread is fluctuating between like 2.3 pips and 1.9 pips.
2.3 and 1.9.
Yeah.
yeah, you see, mine's fluctuating between 1.2 and 1.9.
Yeah, I've got a 0.8.
Jeez. On
Jeez,
Blueberry.
Blueberry wants for the win.
Say again.
0.9 to 0.8.
Sheesh.
Blueberry
That's
markets
tiny.
for the win. Oh. And what is yours on gold?
Gold is between like 1 and 2.
I've got
1 and 2
between
pips.
1.2 and 1.5.
Yeah.
There, mine just went to 0.7.
On gold.
Yeah, on gold. So we're just gonna monitor how the 30-minute closes here in 10 minutes.
But I must say, the delivery markets I'm very happy with.
Yeah. My gold spread is higher than my GJ spread.
But that should happen. Gold
Nah.
has a lot more volume.
Nah, but RC, my spread is like, sometimes it goes from like 0.6 to like 1. So like,
On gold?
right now, yeah, bro, right now on RC, my gold spread is 0.7, 0.6, 0.3, 0.7.
I remember,
0.5.
I
So,
can't remember exactly the broker I was with. It was a South African broker, and then the spreads were like literally 7 pips on gold. Like 6, 7 pips. Dude, it was ridiculous there.
Yo,
Dude, I
7
remember,
pips spread.
dude, it was crazy, bro. It was
Yeah.
like, nah,
yes,
Imagine while Donvo's moving to break even, you're only getting into profit.
bro.
You're only getting
No,
break even from your
I'm
spread.
already getting break even, dude. Yes.
No, that's hectic. I remember being on an account. I don't know which broker, but I had like 4 pip spreads, which is also I was struggling.
Also, this one broker that I used to use, they used to charge you a monthly fee, right? So they charge you, I think it was like 100 or 150 rand just to have the account. And then
Wow.
I said to them, because it was at that college that I was at, remember that?
Oh yeah.
And then I said to them, yeah, man, some people open their accounts with you and they can only afford to put in like 1,000 rand or whatever, and you charging them 15% of their capital just to open their account, not even to trade, no commissions, no spreads, nothing. And they were like, yo, that's our fees. And I was like, yeah, you guys are fucking scamming you.
That's hectic.
I was like, I won't use your recommended broker. There's not a chance in the world, bro.
I'm using Dominion Markets right now. Funny thing I noticed yesterday, so I went and had a look at Uncle Ted's broker, Trader's Domain, and the website has the exact same layout as Dominion Markets.
Really?
Exactly the same.
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah, I mean, Roger probably spoke to Ted about it and asked for advice.
Control C and then copy paste.
Copy paste,
That
yeah.
part. Yeah.
Probably got the same developers and everything for the website.
Oh.
How is it? Yeah, I haven't had any problems. Like you trade un GJ? I'm not too sure what you mean, bro. Spreads are crazy right now. They look very normal to me.
Have you not heard of Unjij?
No, bro, sorry.
My favorite type of GJ, dude.
yeah, that always has to take it further just to be funny.
Always. Cross clown.
Yeah.
Do you guys get my FX book free with Dominion Market?
My FX book is free.
So yes, you do get it free with Dominion Market.
It's
Yeah.
it's a free service.
Okay, I see what you're saying. The only services you have to pay for is soft FX, and then you can upgrade your trading view. I don't know what else you could pay for. Magic keys, but I guess that's a product. Somebody's asking, what's your take profit?
Final TP for this trade will be 162.
162 flat.
250.
Okay. $162,250.
Yeah. Also looking at 161,630 as a daily resistance. So we will definitely want to monitor what price is doing at that level. I'll probably use that as a an area to take off some profit. So 161,630. Target 1. Do you know who Capital Hungry is? Yes. Amazing.
Fundamentalist.
Fundamentalist, yeah. I personally do watch Capital Hungry stuff to learn more about fundamentals. Pre-London's been pretty dead so far this year. I think most trades on stream have been taken pre-London, and there just hasn't been the volume you're looking for.
Yeah, but it is the start of the year. Like this start of the year has just been slow. We've been stuck in a lot of ranges. If it does break out, it breaks out, with little to no confirmation. So it has been incredibly difficult. So, Druin, I personally use either my bank card or just international bank transfer. I don't use PayPal or any third-party apps.
Yeah, so just do international bank transfer.
It's a lot easier and it's a lot safer because if something goes wrong with your bank, you can go there. Like you can go to your bank and be like, hey, listen, here's a proof, this is a withdrawal, what's going on? I need some answers here. But if PayPal, there's an issue, you have to wait online, and then there's no guarantee somebody can help you. I would just much prefer using my bank.
Moneybag, I think that's spot on. We waiting for CPR to bring some volume here.
Yeah.
Made sense for this move up on gold after we broke out of this range. But yeah, overall, I think we need a catalyst to bring some volume back. So CPR should do the trick.
And just for anybody wondering, tomorrow is CPI at 3:30 GMT2. And we got initial jobless claims. But sometimes when I watch stream, right? My candles on my charts are black for bullish and red for bearish. And then when I look at yours, I get so confused. Then I realize, oh shit, wait, no, this isn't mine. There's blue.
Use black for bullish.
Yeah. Then red for bearish.
Sheesh.
Have you not checked my analysis?
I would get oh no, I'm colorblind, bro. I didn't even register like the color of your candles. I just see they're dark.
Oh fuck. Yeah, you must actually tell me what colors you can see so I can change it to that to make it easier for
I
you.
must actually have a proper closer look because I've never taken note.
Yeah, I get you. But you must tell me like what colors you can see and shit, and then I'll change my candles to those. But the only reason I have like black and red is because of like the branding I've done.
Previous 30 closed no bottom wick. But we have closed pretty ugly bearish here. Hourly also came back flip bearish. If we break previous hourly lows, good idea to manage risk right there.
They close half.
Yeah, we haven't broken those lows just yet.
Please will you read out the price for me for the lows just so I can type it.
160,
Yeah,
885.
885. Okay, so I'm gonna say closing half if you break 168.85.
Yeah.
Cool.
On my broker it's 880, so
Oh yeah.
maybe just want to be aware of that.
Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. So we'll be closing half at 22 pips loss.
If we break these lows.
So I'm not going to send that through to our FX group on WhatsApp because Carl shouldn't have got activated. Nico
Okay.
didn't get activated. So Ree says this level it's at now is quite a strong resistance on the 5 minutes. It should flip bullish again. Yeah, I hope it flips bullish again.
Yeah, so it looks like we may be breaking this low where I'll close half.
I'm gonna close half, yeah?
Okay, didn't quite break the lows just yet. Just tapping into them.
Okay.
Our stops are in a nice safe place here below previous 4 hour.
Okay, I'll send that message of closing half when you close half, yeah? Because I closed half.
Okay, cool.
She's so Connor. I've beat you, Carl, and Nico in a game of chess, eh?
Well done, Jared.
Thank you, thank you.
Well done.
I'm quite the grandmaster, yeah.
Not quite Grandmaster, but getting there.
International
You've basically
master.
doubled your rating points, which is actually insane.
Yeah, I was terrible when I started. So anything's better than that, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, you obviously the more you're playing, you're grasping some of the concepts and strategies. Takes practice.
Yeah. When you played at school, did you play a lot, or were you just like, "Ugh, I'll go for a couple games here and there"?
I played in primary.
Oh yes, I remember you said.
GJ took you out at break even. Oh, wow, nice.
You should play Tate.
Nah, Tate will smack me, I'm sure. Actually, I tried to add him on chess.com.
Really?
Yeah,
He's got his hands full at the moment, but
yeah, he's a bit busy.
he's a little bit busy at the moment. Do you know what's going on with that?
Nah, I haven't spoken to him in a while.
Yeah. Somebody's saying gold sells. I really, really, really would not recommend gold sells, Monet, because you're extremely bullish. You've broken a resistance. You've closed above. Now, currently, you're pulling back into a resistance point where it could turn into support. So once that gets tested, we expect it to continue on driving up. The reason you're probably thinking gold is a sell is because you're probably thinking, oh, it's overbought, price is too high. But you need to remember, nothing can ever be overbought or oversold. Just look at the price of like Bitcoin, how high it's gone and how low it's been.
Yeah, we retesting these previous highs at 1880-ish, which is what I was looking for bars basically. So I would wait for more confirmation for bars, but definitely no sells. As we're moving down to retest these previous highs, this previous range, definitely no sells. I would just be waiting for support to be formed and then look for those bars.
Oh, Carlos sniped gold there. Jeez.
Yeah, I'll be back now.
No stress. How long have you been trading? We started about 7:45 this morning.
Flip, eh? It's already 9 o'clock. When did we start stream at 8?
That's it. Just
Bro,
before
no
8.
ways we've been streaming for an hour.
I swear,
Really?
dude. Oh. Bad joke.
Bad joke. Terrible joke.
I think it was a dad joke, not a bad joke.
Jared, enough.
Somebody liked that joke.
Everyone liked the joke.
Wins on my team, Max. No, but Connor's been trading since late 2018, early 2019. And I've been trading from about mid 2019. Yeah.
Yeah. You've been trading since mid 2019.
Somewhere around there. I'm not
Okay.
exactly too sure.
Jared, you fucking mad, dude. I
When did
think
I start?
we had our calls in like the beginning of 2018, I think.
I was still in matric in 2018.
What the fuck have I been trading longer than you then?
No, because I was still full-time trading when we got on those calls. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, but I was trading before Justin went to Pretoria. So how long before you met Justin were you trading?
I met Justin before I started trading. Justin and I have been friends since varsity.
Oh, I was trading by the time Justin went to you, I was trading already. So
Wait, but I think didn't you start, then you stopped, and then you started again when we started chatting?
no, I was always doing it before we started chatting. I was never serious about it in the first 2 years.
Yeah. My chess name is Triple F Trader.
Okay, chat, if we break these lows, I'm closing half. And there we go. Closing
Guess
halves.
it's- Okay, I sent the message to the group.
Okay. Close off at negative 20 pips here.
So it was actually a blessing I didn't get in.
Nico, I need to somehow figure out when I started trading. I don't know how.
Oh, I can maybe help you, bro.
Look at your emails.
No, but I
Yeah.
delete all my emails every year.
So, yeah, I'll delete.
So at the end of every year, I delete all my like emails that I don't need. Plus, your emails are just way too full.
Actually, no, I can maybe look, bro. Because we're not paid money to you.
That's true. That's true.
Wait, how the fuck would I track that back so far?
Wait, you can track it through just searching my name on your banking app. I tried to track a payment that I did a while ago, and my banking app, Standard Bank, only went to 6 months. So
Mine only goes 6 months too, bro.
so I guess it's a mystery. Somebody's asking gold buys now. No.
Yeah, I would probably want to see a 30-minute closing bullish. And then by that point, we're getting quite close to London Open. So, yeah, I would actually just be waiting for 10 o'clock here for buys. For any more trades, I would wait for London Open.
You close full?
Okay, no, I closed half.
I don't have our messages as well, Jared. That's the fuck up.
Changed phones a couple of times since then.
I have, but like same number and stuff, but yeah. But actually, wait, I have Justin's chat up until 2018. I see.
Yeah. Wayne, I accepted you on chess.com, eh? I think we're playing a game at the moment.
Is Wayne playing chess?
Yeah. He's got a ELO of 407. It's higher than mine.
Wayne, we must play a game as well.
I hate playing on my phone though. I much prefer playing on my laptop.
Yeah, I also like to play on the laptop.
Orne's asking, are you guys from Cape Town? No.
Yes.
Aaron,
Yes. Yes?
you came to Oxborough, right?
Yes, I did.
Oh no, wait. Actually, I think this is the year before.
No, I was trading then. That was after the lessons, because remember we still met.
Yes, but what I'm saying is, I think this was the Oxborough before me and Justin.
Oh, I get you. Oh, okay.
And then you came.
Yes, but that was a lucky time in my life. That Oxtra. Yeah, regretted it was lucky.
No regrets, Jared.
Yes.
You met your best friend then, bro.
Oh, God. Don't start that now.
Yeah.
Ooh, Brad.
Oh, Brad Castleberry.
Well, bro, I think this is the Oxborough, and this Oxborough was in 2018's December, so...
I'm really not sure. But I think I have a photo of me and Luke Dallas from Oxborough that I can go and date.
From Namibia.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
What do you think about Traders Domain? Is it a scam? No, I don't think it's a scam. Guys are so quick to call something a scam. Because there are so many scams out there. Funnily enough, the real scams no one's calling out. Except, you know, a very small group of people such as us here on stream. But Traders Domain, no, that's a broker that's been around for a few years. People have made a lot of money on it. People have made withdrawals. It's not a scam, no. The guy you bought a course from on Instagram because he saw some profits or a nice car, that was a scam.
Connor, don't you have profits in a nice car? Should I be worried?
See, the thing is, this is transparency here, you know.
I'm ragging with you.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying for chat, like, some people might not get the joke.
Okay.
You know, this is full transparency, taking trades in front of your eyes. But they delay all withdrawals. Yes, yeah, I heard about this. So you need to understand how the banking system works. So actually, I caught Ted's live stream yesterday and I watched for like 2 minutes. But he was talking about his broker. And basically, he was saying how withdrawals have been delayed. But that's because they've received a high amount of withdrawals. So they obviously have got a lot more people on their platform now. And it's just struggling to process all these withdrawals because you need to understand these withdrawals go through to the bank. And the bank only has so much cash. So when people are withdrawing millions, it becomes an issue.
I also think one of the biggest red flags you can get in a broker is, let's say you do a withdrawal, and then let's just say, keep it a round number, it's 100,000 Rand. Now, if they send you 27,000, then a week later they send you 4,000, then 16, then 20, that's when you should start being like, whoa, okay, what the hell is actually going on here? Don't you think?
Sorry, I was just focusing here. I mean, yeah, we had this previous key area that we're tapping into now. So let's see what happens here. Looks like we are seeing some reactions, support forming on the lower time frames.
Just for interest's sake, Connor, you're going to be re-adding when you get back to break even.
I will look if there's another opportunity. If we actually are closing back above 161, then I'll consider it.
Okay.
What is your NG? 161, 110, eh? Did you get slipped or not? Or was it nice?
I'm at 161.96 on my broker. Prices are obviously different.
Oh, yeah. I think that's why you got triggering compared to me, Con.
Yeah. But it was still a solid 2 pips above that previous high.
No, I feel, but like I say, my spread was small at the time.
Mm.
Missed me about 2 ticks.
Before adding more to my position, I'd probably wait for London Open as well. Wait for that volume to come in. Not really much volume right now.
So, I still have my bar stop. What do you suggest I do then? If it's just there.
Maybe you want to wait for London Open?
I think I'll give it a chance to see what the 30-minute close does. Give it like 5 minutes after 30 close and then I'll delete.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm no excuse, Wayne, but I'm not focusing on this game, so I'm losing at the moment.
But doesn't FTX start going down because of no withdrawals? The thing is, FTX, they were running that like a pyramid scheme. So that's a completely different story.
Sounds like an excuse to me. No, if I lose, then Wayne beat me 100%. But I want to play a game off the stream as well, where I'm sitting and focusing, not looking at price and looking at this and that.
You don't have time for excuses, please. Connor,
Yeah,
I'm not joking with you about West Bank, but for some stupid reason, my brain is telling me to go play.
have fun, dude.
No, I'll be too sore for Friday. I don't want to be that sore for Friday. I sound old, bro. Fuck my life.
That's basically 3 games in the space of a week.
Yo. No. Well,
No, that's
Just like-
overkill.
I just feel like I tweaked it a little bit, you know. So I want to go play. Yes. Let me see what Dylan's doing. No.
What do you think of XRP? I don't know anything about XRP. It's all speculation. I don't see crypto becoming the new world reserve currency or anything like that. The powers that be will never allow that. So if shit hits the fan, you know, maybe we see another bull run on Bitcoin. But I think a lot of people have also realized that what I just mentioned, you know, crypto not being the next world reserve currency. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to say crypto is dead. It's surprised us so many times, but it's not something I really look into.
The thing is, it's just too volatile. Because you can't get paid on Monday 100,000 Rand worth of Bitcoin. And then on Wednesday, you've only got 65,000 Rand to pay your bills. It's just never going to work. That's the huge reason I'm like, whoa, I don't know about that.
I think as it gets regulated, the volatility will probably die down, but yeah, it's never going to take place of the dollar, or if there's another world reserve currency, it will never take its place. And I think if you've made some nice money from crypto, you know, that's great, but you also just need to understand the phase of the market cycle we're in right now. We are not in a good place. You know, we've come down to a much better price point to be taking buys, but fundamentally, does it make sense to actually be taking buys? Not really. As recession scares and that kind of thing grow, you know, maybe there's more and more reason to be taking buys. But we need to also just see what the central banks are doing this year, because inflation still is a problem, and I believe we will still see more interest rate increases, and that's what brought us this rally down on gold. I mean on Bitcoin as well as gold, is we've had a very strong dollar over the last year, hence a very weak Bitcoin. You can see on DXY how bullish we were. We're just seeing a pullback, but overall, you know, if we're zooming out to like a monthly, arguably we are still bullish if we are trading above these highs here around 100. So we're just pulling back. If we form support in this area and we see dollar continue to move up, we'll see further sells on Bitcoin, we'll see further sells on gold.
Yo, but if the bear run on gold is anything like last year, yo boys, I'm strapping in on those cells and holding them, eh?
Sheesh. Yep. And we had a very nice area to be taking sells to hold.
Yeah.
I was thinking about even gambling CPR. Just taking sells. Fucking, if they play out, we're gonna hold those sells for the whole year.
Monet, how old are you? Eh?
You've been holding crypto for 4 years.
32.
Holy
Hey.
shit.
Shit.
Have you taken out any money? Please just say yes.
What was that oak? He made his cash off Dogecoin and then it went up to something ridiculous like 10 million. And then it went back down to like 100,000 because he refused to sell.
I'm not sure. Fuck, imagine.
Dude.
That'll make you suicidal, really.
Dude. Sure. Could you imagine, eh?
Diamond hands.
Yeah, dude, those aren't diamond hands. That's not thinking ahead, eh?
Yeah, diamond hands is something that inexperienced traders and investors came up with during crypto. It's not a good way to approach things.
Yeah.
In an ever-changing market, diamond hands are more of a liability than anything. Still up 200%.
Jeez. What was the peak of your percentage?
Yeah.
Wayne checkmated me, eh?
Sheesh.
If you don't mind us asking, Monet. London Open with daylight savings is now at 10 o'clock GMT2. Plus minus 380%. A lot there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Or from an investment standpoint.
Yeah. But I mean, that's obviously how he's viewing it.
Jeez. And there's some oaks that studied 12 years, worked on Wall Street for 20 that are just getting 7.1% a year.
Gate.
Yeah.
I lost 7.1% today.
The first day back, didn't you get something like 7.1%?
Yeah.
Just Con, you're getting quite dick there.
What do you mean? No
Like,
ways.
you're getting big, bro. You like me, yeah.
I've been like the same size since I was 12 years old.
Nah, don't lie. That sounds like micro trend stories, yeah.
Marco Trin.
Cupcakes. Never misses a meal.
What you
Yo,
ready?
how much you?
I'm 6'6" and I weigh 120 kgs.
Listen to old Stevia.
And I deadlift 300 kgs. Nah, it's hot. It's hot today. I've never worn a vest on stream, I don't think. It's just, sheesh, it's spoiling today.
Yeah, it is hot, eh? But for real, how much you weigh and how tall are you?
And I thought soon stream's gonna be without a shirt, bro. What do you mean? Mid-year, Alcona?
Yeah, I'm just not in the shape I would have liked to
Mid-year.
be. Mid-year, it's
Mid-year,
gonna be cold, bro. I'm gonna be here in a jacket.
Oh, winter.
Yeah,
Wow,
winter.
what's cold gonna change? You think if I look like a Greek god, I'm gonna fucking walk with a shirt on just because it's winter?
Yeah,
Yes.
I suppose,
don't
hoes
understand
don't get cold.
Gold closed bullish on 30, but directly at resistance. So I would definitely be waiting for London Open.
Yeah. But yeah, we had that tap into 1881, 1880 area, as mentioned. Nice reaction off there. Only way you could have really taken advantage of that were maybe on the lower time frames here. Wasn't really for me, but at least we had that mapped out to know what to look for and what to avoid.
Where's that guy that was saying sells? God, could I guess how much you weigh?
Oh yeah, you know, it's not a big deal. Yeah, you can guess and I'll tell you.
84.
Nah,
Too much.
too much.
80. 80. Let's call it 80.
Yeah, 80.
Yeah. You got a solid 10 kgs on me.
And I'm 175.
I'm 167. I'm
I got
pocket
a-
size.
I got 10 kgs on you and
We
nearly
actually saw
10
your-
centimeters.
We actually saw your putty.
Shit.
We almost
Yeah.
kind of wanted to buy your putty, bro. We saw
Putter.
your putty.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, we saw a pattern that was like this long.
Oh, fuck you, X.
Like, oh, Jared, yes, you can shop here.
Those baby putters, isn't it?
Okay, be honest, Jared. Have you ever gone to the TV station to buy something
Yes.
while being an adult?
Obviously,
Really?
my gym shirts. Dude, I'm raving with you. Oh, you look thick on chat. I don't know who he's
Let's see him
referring
from
to.
behind. Let's see him from behind. Oh,
What the hell?
not talking about his car. Sorry. You seen the booty on that one?
No, the booty on that one's sick.
Booty.
Yeah, you've been like a brave recording and putting your foot flat, eh?
What?
What do you mean, why? Recording, driving past, one hand, blah blah blah.
It was in a controlled environment.
Do you think I'll get in trouble?
No. Who's gonna give you trouble? Fuck them.
I don't think
Unless
I don't think anyone would
unless
do
you-
anything.
This is your dad, then you must move it.
Yeah, nah, that's why I didn't post it on Facebook.
What was I saying?
Yo, dude, I'm with this insurance company that they put like a tracker in your car, so you get every month like an email telling you how you drove, how harsh your braking was, how your speeding was, like this and that, this and that. And it's dope because I save 50% of my fuel spend. But here, God, you must never go with Discovery to insure your car.
I was about to say, are you with Discovery? I'm with Discovery.
Oh, yeah.
I'm getting my tracker put in later this month.
Oh. Yes, dude.
So I'm driving like a idiot now to get it out of my system.
The thing is, you still can, but
know.
then your fuel spend, your percentage back just won't be like that.
Listen,
Yeah,
this-
yeah.
this-
No, look,
for me.
I'll probably miss out on a lot of the rewards. There's not much I
Yeah.
can do, but I know it's a solid insurance at least.
Yeah, I know it is. I can vouch it. Somebody's asking, hey Connor Abrams, so where are you from? I'm from the US, just started my second year of trading. My man, DT Peace Live, you need to be sleeping.
Yeah, what's the time on that side? 2:30,
No,
bro.
3 in the
Just know that, okay, I'm just saying this obviously as a general piece of advice, but sleep is very important. There's no need to be waking up in the middle of the night to trade, unless maybe you are working normal hours, so you need to be at work during New York session and Asian session, because those are the sessions available to you during the day. So I understand if maybe you don't have time to trade New York or Asian session, but sleep is very important. It's important for your decision making process as well. I find if I haven't been sleeping properly, my decision making process is just not on par.
Whack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to be
I mean,
trading at 2:30 in the morning, it does not sound like a good idea. And I've been there. I've been there where I try to trade Asian session, which is in the middle of the night for me, and by then my mind is zonked. I'm too tired, and it just never worked out for me. So that's one thing I'll say about that.
Monet's asking, have you ever tried trading on Concerta? I have, and I hate it. I can't trade on Concerta. You.
I wonder what
Yes,
that would be like.
Let's
it's
not talk
terrible.
about the Selborne boys in Concerta.
Dude, it is the worst experience you're ever gonna have, eh?
My one mate, the one day during like, oh yeah, no, sorry, this was during grade 10. Yeah, so we were 16. We had exams,
Yeah.
and so you have you come to school in the morning, you have a study session, and then you go out to break for like an hour before you start to write. So that hour, obviously, a lot of people still spend time reading through their books, like last minute cramming.
Yeah.
So anyway, my friend group, we were like just sitting together, and my one mate had a bottle of Concerta there. He takes this stuff, but I don't know, for whatever reason he decided no, today he's going to take all the pills left in this bottle, and there were
No.
like 18. He took them out, he counted them. There were 18. He even wrote in his notes. He said, "If I die, it's because of Connor," and then he like listed my other friends. We did not say that he must do it. He's just like, guys, I'm going to take 18 concertos. He took them. He didn't sleep for like 3 days.
Bro. But can't that kill you?
I'm sure it could.
That 100% could kill you, bro. I take one of the 54s, bro, and I feel zonked, bro. I feel like I'm walking around like a meth head, bro.
The 54 is the red one, eh?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, these were 54s as well. Imagine taking 18.
Dude, no, bro. He must, yes, like, did he at least get 100% for that exam?
I think he did quite well, to be honest.
Yes. But you know how
Yeah.
much money that is? He took like 1,000 rand worth of pills for one
Yeah,
exam.
he doesn't give a fuck.
Yes.
Kids.
I've never taken that shit before. Like, I haven't even seen it.
Yeah.
I
No,
don't condone
it's-
the use of drugs. I don't
Yeah.
condone the use of or abuse of Concerta.
No, we're talking drugs today.
It's his fish feeding.
Fish
Can't say
feeding.
that while I'm getting their food. Yes.
Yo, if you have ADD or ADHD or whatever, then all for you. It's yo, dude,
Nah,
like
even still, I think that shit is bad for you. I think that is made by these pharmaceutical companies to make you a zombie. There's other ways
I,
to go about it.
I just don't think that they should put like primary school kids on it.
Yeah, no.
Kunjani Punani.
It's basically meth.
It is
Like, how can you put a child on that? It's retarded.
But they put them on Ritalin. I don't know if there's a difference.
No, it's also just as close to meth, I'm sure.
Anna,
Yeah.
fuck on Justin.
Hey, Kunjani Punani.
Shit on his head. He sent us a screenshot and stuff once and never again.
He sends stuff now and then.
Yeah,
But yo,
but
Justin, where you been?
he's unfunded, remember? So now it has to be every day when he takes a trade. So now I'm curious as to has he been taking trades and didn't show us the fuck ups? Or he's just like not taking a trade at all.
Updates us, Justin. Wake and bake and charts. Nah, I don't recommend read and trading. I think read messes with your emotions and that when it comes to trading. You're literally on a high. So you get overconfident or whatever,
you see
you know,
this
you're a bit slow. Someone said something about read. Are you on live chat?
Bake and charts. Wake and bake and charts.
I wonder if anybody's ever tried trading drunk.
Weed removes the pain. Actually, bro, weed gives you overconfident, and then you take trades that are not valuable, and then like you go look at your quality trade that you thought you had, and then when you look at it, you see, oh, this is actually fucking stupid, and then you're like, why did I take it? And then, oh, it must have been this and that and that. But meanwhile, it was just the overconfidence from the high you were on.
Adrian says codeine is his drug of choice.
Caffeine works the same, no? No.
No. Same as what?
Like he's talking about drugs and stuff like that. Whatever high you're on, like whether it be weed or concerta.
Caffeine is a drug.
You know that I don't know if I'm sure I told you this, bro, but if for 3 months if you consume no caffeine at all, nothing, bro, like not even in food and stuff, like no caffeine.
Yeah.
And then you have a strong cup of coffee, you'll hallucinate like you're on fucking shrooms.
No, that can't be true.
I
Yeah,
promise you,
apparently
they studied it. It's been tested and everything. It's true, bro.
Yeah, apparently it
reason I
can make you
say that-
hallucinate.
Makes you
The
see,
reason-
fuck
Yeah.
it up, bro. Like it's one of the strongest hallucinating shits you can get, bro. If you can like, not take in any caffeine.
I
It's
wouldn't
so
say
difficult not to
strongest,
any-
but
Bro,
yeah, it'll.
did you watch the video on it? Did you watch that what that guy said happened to him when he tripped? Bro, that's a strong trip, dude. That's not. I've never heard some stuff like that, and I've had my fair share of stuff. Listen,
Could I just say something before you carry on?
Yeah.
So then why don't... Because, okay, I think I had my first cup of coffee when I was like pretty young. I was like not even a teenager yet. And I didn't trip.
You were consuming caffeine other ways, bro. You cannot tell me that you were eating like a normal child and doing normal children thing. If you were physically looking to make sure you
No,
don't
caffeine is not in everything though. It's not in your
Seriously.
it's not in your normal food, surely.
the study
Cool
says
drinks and
if you
this and that.
consume no caffeine, Connor,
Yeah, maybe Cokes, maybe
That's what
like
I'm saying.
Coke. Yeah.
no caffeine is the point. Then like they literally like made that they had no caffeine for 3 months. Then that like it was a study. Then that person had a cup of whatever coffee that was strong. It wasn't like a coffee there. It was a proper cup of coffee that had like strong shit, you know, strong coffee. And then you know,
Listen to
wow.
Ewan's comment. Imagine, damn, why did I take that trade? Oh, I must have been off my nut on methamphetamine. Haram, okay, haram. Guys, drugs are bad. Enough now.
But didn't Coke literally have Coke in it when it started?
Yeah, it
No,
did.
man. What?
It did.
Why the fuck wasn't I born 30 years back when it came out then? Whenever it came out. Yes. I'd still have stock left over. I'd spend everything. My goodness. I'm joking. But really? I thought it was like a medicine.
Yo,
like
those
wasn't it?
brandy and Cokes must have hit, bud.
Yes.
Imagine a brandy and Coke back in the day.
Yes, dude.
No
No.
wonder the fucking old men are so tough, bro. Yes, sis. Makes sense. Oh, no fucking wonder. No wonder everything was built so strong and nice, bro. It's
Yeah,
overthought
Oaks
the
were
shit out of everything.
whacking.
Whacking. The last time I heard somebody say,
Whacking.
Dude, the last time I heard somebody say that, I think was Matthew Kopke.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but you can't even be in a room without that guy saying it, bro. So
Oh, dude.
just hang out with him 12 minutes later, you'll hear.
Yeah.
What
Or
a
see it.
business plan.
Or see it. I can't tell you which one it would be. Oh, fuck.
Oh, but that's such a gent, dude.
You see how much weight he lost, bro, and how good he's
Yeah.
looking. You see it?
Yeah. I haven't seen recently, but I remember they were showing us photos of him. Well, he was showing me photos of him when he was still pretty big.
Yeah, I know.
30 minutes. Oh no, sorry, that was a 15 minutes. 15-minute close quite ugly here. No bottom wick as well. Chat, I'm gonna manage your space with the 15 closing bearish.
Close another 50.
I'm actually gonna close full right here.
Okay. Will you tell me how many pips I can put on Discord?
Negative 17.
And I'm gonna put on our FX group for Carl that we're deleting buy stops there.
Alright. So yeah, maybe a slightly better closure above here would have been ideal. The idea was we closed above this most recent resistance on a 30-minute. But yeah, clearly just not enough volume. I think moving forward I'm going to be careful with GJ trades pre-London. We're just not really, we're not seeing that volume come in. Gold we can see today. We had nice volume pre-London. Missed that move though, that was before stream. But in
So you've
terms
got
of GJ,
that.
I haven't seen the volume coming in pre-London.
I see something crazy, Connor.
Yeah.
Put your WhatsApp, bro. This is 2020 May, I think.
Flip.
2020. This is 2020 May.
What is that now?
Fuck.
The message I sent him, where he sent me his chart and he was having a losing day, and then I said, anytime you want to chat, bro, just message me. But this was 2020 in May.
Who's this? Me and you?
Me.
And Connor. And Connor.
Oh.
Yeah, you have a whole chat, eh?
I have everything.
Please send me that picture. Because
You
I lost chats when I changed phones.
want that actual picture there?
Yeah. That's hectic, eh?
I feel you want to post it. Okay.
No, I'm not gonna post it. I just want it for the archives. Yeah, just US30 and NAS, bud.
$1, $2, $3, $2, $1. Ah, back in the day.
But that was nice risk management.
Oh, I'm looking at the same thing.
Because they were all L's.
I have 900 pictures between first, so there is some other. Hey, 2020 is more or less when, like, me and you started getting into it with each other more.
Yeah, yeah, we were having calls every other day. Sheesh.
Somebody's asking about the dollar index. EXY. So the dollar index is at a seriously strong support level at 103.081. So until it either breaks below there or breaks above resistance, I'd just class it as ranging.
Just give me a second.
Jared, that's 2020 May, bro.
Yes. I still remember the conversation Connor and I had back then.
Yeah. It's the same thing that we're looking at. Yo, I forgot about this. Yes.
What is it? Send it to me?
No, I can't send this to you. This is something else. I mean, kind of just spoke about it, but yeah. So it doesn't have to do with trading.
Right. I get you. He's calling
No
the market
fucking
maker.
way, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I forgot about that, bro.
What's up?
Take a look. I asked you the other day, do you know about him? And you said no.
No, I never.
Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Hey, rocks.
What were we even trading there?
That
Huge.
is probably Naz.
I'm not sure. I didn't send him that, Jared. I didn't send him that.
Uh,
What did you send him? No, I didn't send Jared that. I sent you both two different things, man. Oh yeah, even have you shooting the fucking floor with that other gun thing, telling me I better get my shit straight. Fuck.
DXY, we were in a range here on the daily for some time, quite a big range, and we've closed below. So it would make sense for us to fill the rest of this range to the side. But I think at this point, we would need a catalyst to see us move all the way down there. Price action looks good to move down. We are in a range right now. So breaks below like 103 or 102, 900. You know, then you'll most probably see some more dollar weakness. But I think that's all going to come down to CPR tomorrow. Because if we have worse than expected CPR, you know, we're not going to see that move down. We could see us come back all the way up to 105. Gold looking very ugly right now. I'd say bars above 1884, 450 look pretty good.
I would say let's wait for London Open, eh? What do you
Yeah,
reckon?
no, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I say bars above 1884, 450, I would need to see a closure above there.
Yeah. It would be a good thing if we could close bullish on the 30-minute candle, current 30.
I'll stick around and see how the hourly candles close here, but I'm not going to be here for too much longer. I need to be somewhere at 11, so I don't want to get stuck in a trade, especially what happened last week, sitting in a GJ trade for like 2 hours, no volume. Right now, volume is pretty much dead, so we could see volume with London Open, of course, but like I said, I've got to be somewhere at 11.
Yeah. Somebody's asking, do you always trade two sets of currencies or sometimes a different set of currencies? We generally only trade gold, which is XAUUSD, and then obviously Great British Pound versus Japanese Yen, GJ. Those are the two we predominantly and take 99% of our trades on.
Are you looking for sells on GJ if there's a closure below 16800? No. I'd rather just avoid this range. I see what you mean. These candles here to the left are nice and clean. Just not really worth it for me. This right here overall is a range.
When did you write down what we spoke about yesterday? That you voice noted me.
Yeah, I've got that written down.
Would you mind sending me photos of it?
Sheesh, I don't know if you'll be able to read my handwriting.
I'm pretty sure I will. If I don't, then I'll just refer back to the voice notes.
Okay.
Shut. I'll send you through what I think about it today, and then if I want to add anything. But on the voice notes, I'm pretty happy. It sounds very good. Check out charts in community. Okay. I think we already had a look at the community chart that you sent, Chad.
Someone's
Somebody's
asking in the Discord, am I like, do I do live spontaneously or like what? Bro, I'm live Monday to Friday, same time every day.
I don't think he's live every day, but most of the week you'll find him live. Gosh, man. Look at this fake news that people are talking on in the Discord.
Nah.
OG Banana spreading fake news. Oh, goodness.
Smart money concept indicator by Lux Elbow. No ways. Let's have a look.
Yeah, I even deleted it. I'm like, damn, you're not gonna go down that rabbit hole there.
Oh, you only deleted it. I saw it disappear.
Hey, Con,
Yeah.
check out that video I sent you, bro. That's the video camera on my drone. So you remember I told you about the golf course that I wanted to take a shot of someone playing us like a shot and record it off the drone.
Yeah.
I don't know if I told you. I think I told you or Dylan, one of the two. The quality is not too bad on the camera.
I'll
That's
check.
the back of my yard.
I'll check shortly.
When you do it. No, when you can. That's the back of my yard. I'm still getting used to flying the fucking thing. But I flew a lot yesterday, so I think I've got it down now. But I was flying comfortably.
That's sick though. When did you get a drone?
Christmas.
Oh, like a. Yeah, this is mad, eh?
It's pretty sick, eh?
Oh no, I'm talking about the indicator.
It's
What is the indicator?
EYES. ES.
Yes.
What are you talking about? That Luxus SMC indicator?
Yeah.
No, man, how is it sick? What are you having a look at there? What does it do?
It just marks up the SMC cuck. Yeah, Nico, that's flipping cool. You must bring it.
Yeah.
Bring it on Friday.
Friday. Allowed to fly.
Actually, yeah, I don't know about that course.
Yeah, I'll keep it for West Bank, bro.
I kind of expected this 15 to flip bullish since the previous 15 had no bottom wick. But the way it closed bearish, the way we still below resistance, I wanted to manage risk. And then if we get a closure above, you know, there's always more opportunities here. I don't think we will close above though. 30 seconds. Gold, absolutely no trades here right now.
Yeah. I think it's a pretty dead session, eh?
Yep.
Niku,
Talk to me.
you remember you said yesterday that you put your playback speed on 1.2?
1.5, yeah.
1.5. Why do you do that? To keep it live or what?
You keep it as live, as close to kind of speaking as possible. So what I do is I do that, and then you see the time at the top above his head. I look at my like underneath XAUUSD, I look at my time, then I get it within like 4 to 5 seconds of that time.
Dude, that's
Yeah,
so
it's
dope, dude.
just if it's lagging to basically catch
Yeah.
up to the live time.
To be honest, kind of like even if it's not lagging, like sometimes it just like slowly gets a second within like 10 minutes. I might have gone like a second, like
Okay, yeah.
builds up eventually. So sometimes you just have to do it.
Okay,
Yeah,
chat.
that's very clever.
We are not closing above 161. So there'd be no trades there for me. I would wait for a 30-minute candle closure now to close above this new resistance we formed. And then gold, yeah, just ranging right now. So you want to see us break above resistance here for more buys, or a deeper pullback into 1879. Otherwise, that's me for the day. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I had to manage risk here. Just no volume, absolutely no volume. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I've got CPR tomorrow afternoon, so expecting to see quite a slow morning tomorrow as well. We'll just take it easy and maybe do a little bit of a breakdown for CPR and go over different scenarios. So we can consider tomorrow's stream more of a CPR prep. I don't know if I'll be taking any trades, but I'll see them.
Are you gonna have a look at streaming CPI?
I don't think so, no.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Cheers,
Yeah,
everybody.
cheers, guys. We'll check you. 100%. Thank you for joining, everyone.